Now that they have developed a task analysis for the POW writing strategy, the implementation team is ready to create a fidelity measure. They begin by selecting their methods of data collection as well as the individuals who will supply that data. They choose to collect observational data and teacher self-reports of fidelity. Beginning with the observational measure, the team examines the items on the task analysis. Although these items seem to include all of the essential steps and are a good start for an observational measure of fidelity, the team would like to add some items on quality to address how well each teacher is implementing the steps. They review their materials on SRSD for ideas about how to assess the quality of implementation of the POW writing strategy. Using this information, they add several items related to the quality of implementation. The team then decides that a 3-point scale is sufficient to rate fidelity. These new items are then incorporated into the existing observation checklist. The team members also want to create a teacher self-report checklist. They find that with a little rewriting, the observation checklist is easily transformed into a self-report checklist.